nauru muthime international turatwara ndoja Nairobi outpatient andu no maroka kurigitwo riu muthe ndatinda branch ino ya kuwe nawe ino ya matangi no turathondeka diabetes no lifestyle diseases ndamera kururie maga kuria wega ri no turecemania Nairobi outpatient twacoka tuoka Githurai nakuo gutie kindu tutaragithondeka na atumia ukihingurira ku twina theater twina qualified personnel na branches igi ciothe ri twagukirigita turakirigita andu ni na tukamera ati moke tu nimekuonera uteithio ku ni
thina wa andu kwa kana especially the Mount Kenya region niki kiuru
ndirati ndangiuga na no gucokera haha nituregire kuria wega kururia andu ona mero magerie kuria wega ni marega tucenjie diet makaiga turamera icio ni indo citonga batingiaba ku afford no ni ndiraregana tondu nyeni terere ciuire migunda bebe ci migunda guti kindu gutari waru ci migunda na tutige kuria mucere na waru na kabici icio citigututeithia waria miaka 2 miaka 3 miaka 5 ri ni gukorwo wina thina muingi ungirora andu ici aria me Nairobi thiku ici tene na ni ngihoya angikorwo ni ngwaria uru andu manjohere mugikuyu tene aciaragwo ukaigwa iyo ni shape ya mukikuyu tene ndiuka thiku ici andu aria me Nairobi ni uramiona muno tondu ni mamenyete kuria kindu gigwitwo protein nguku nyama matumbi ni mararia wega koguo ni marahota kumina na mwiri uria wagirire no aria starch ikuiga mwena umwe yothe koguo gukorwo wi mundu very funny koguo nikio ndireiga mirire Mount Kenya kiria kiraturehera thina muno ni irio iria turaria ungithie ta guku Western andu acio maria nguku andu acio maria thamaki andu acio wigua mararia murenda maria ngima ya brown original ya guthio tino ya packet mariaga wega fiu koguo mundu ucio ngamukora na blood pressure ni uguikaikara mundu ucio ngikamukora diabetic ni uguikaikara actually dialysis machine ciothe iria ciragurwo cirehetwo Mount Kenya twacoka tukamenya style ingi ya gukorwo twina easy lifestyle fast food na ni ndirathukiria mundu biashara no ni kwaria ndiraria wakora mundu ndirenda kuruga akoya cabaci ino njigwa cietwo smucha
smucha ni njuru
tijega kilo sausage
akiricio turenda kuria ithui
ni to mutienda kunoga izikam
na ukaria gakuku
gakukuri
na to chipo
tikega na gukuri umekire tu greens ri na gastarch kanini ri tiganayo wari no wamikia maguta-ini iki ate kutangitherukia waru iyo uri uria kwagirire na handu nginya ha waru ri ndurie kiria ngwaci nduma na mwanga uri uria wagirire tondu ni uririkana tene ni gwatuikaga ni kuri mwanga wina poison koguo ungitherukio uria kwagirire nduri na uru ona waru ndiri na uru ingire uria wagirire uru ni ikio maguta-ini ituike chips yatuika kindu kingi kiuru riu no smocha ti mugate cabaci sausage kachumbari chipo ndwake overload ginya system ya nda indi ginya guthia kindu thina na nikio rakora ginya andu ngimena thina wa gastritis roigwa nyamu ino etagwo H pylori kit andu acio ni marwarire muno ni undu wa murire na H pylori it's also a lifestyle disease ni uriire na nyingi indo irio uriire barabara ti thambie wega tijikire wega koguo maundu maya mothe nimo turagiria guthomithia andu na make ha kuigua ri uka Nairobi outpatient tukamahe dawa
muthenya umuthi no akorwo kiri horo wa teenage pregnancy ndona wa complain muno niki kirathie na mbere
teenage pregnancy ti hindi yanjiriria ti hindi andu manjia kugia nda metwana tunini but umuthi kaire tukaria ngorire na tikabe wiki no ngoretwo na tuiritu tutatu 15 16 and 14 years tuiritu tutu twina ndari tumwe ni guka turoka management kamwe niko kagateithikirio muno tuiritu tutu twina ndari actually ona gati kumenyaga thibitari itu ni kurifayo arifairo tondu ni kuregwa araregiro aigire athiete clinic maita matatu tondu ndari na ID na ngwicio nake muciari wake akaga gukorwo akigithinyiriria maundu maya tondu na mwana wina 15 years iria na githe ndukuona nawe ni ukiguruka na ni urathukuma koguo athie haria arathire hakanju akiro okay itha na ID ngiuria ndori atiriri aregire kuhuthira kibandi kia muciari niki kana birth certificate yake tondu mwana uyu ni agiire nda tutigute no muhakari ciara kairitu kau gaciarire ona gatikumenya kana ni kahika ni kairitu at this day and age ndari anywa dawa o ciothe ndari arorwo mwana ucio ikarite atia okire ekindu gigwitwo second stage almost kuheo mwana by the time mwana ucio araheo mwana ime munogu karitu kaima kanogu we were almost losing those two lives. Wow. Gori atiriri aria mamurifaire gwitu ri maragire kumuoya niki tondu ndari na maratathi yangikwirire barabara. So I went back and tried to find out what are the policies for teenage pregnancy. None whatsoever. There's none. Na nikio mundu ucio murekereirie tondu gutire watho kumuoha gutire policy kumuoha tondu ari
ero no drone hare kahawe ndani muyitu atwaritwo hau aturo hau thibitari karega kumuoya gwe thibitari cia guta hi ko cigiriti gutangikira mundu hi akiheo mwana.
It also depend na licensing na level
koguo mundu ucio ndahititie tondu ndagitari ugaga we ndekaga ati ndaheana kiria.
When it comes to humanity no ni ahititie. The other thing is facility. I'm talking about humanity o mundu no level ya thibitari ndetikiriti gukorwo hihi akiruta maundu macio tondu hihi ndari na oxygen ndari na indo iria ciagirire no kuri indo nyinyi agirwo gukorwo ari nacio agithesa mwana painkillers antibiotics atinie rurira rwa mwana areke mutumia ucio athie to the next level tondu uruce ndenda kuria ona angikorwo ni aretigira ri mwana ni okire nethi ni gute tugute mwana aca ndukioe mwana utinie rurira urekererie mwana athie thibitari umuhore antibiotics na painkillers umwire athie gwa kanjo ndikani uranyita we etigagira the complications iria cingiuma na mwana ucio ndenda gukwira tariu umuthi uyu korwo we did not have the right equipment, the oxygen and the right personnel mwana ucio ni angikwire rucini na mutumia ucio tondu nona oka a second stage mwana ni gukaroka tungikanyida mafuku meku urathi ya clinic ku mwana ni ukire
kwi mundu okaga hi kugia mwana na ndari ingira clinic na muthenya
ona ti umwe kwaja nie ndina thina na ndiramenya uria ngwaria mundu akalebera nyumba aroka atigitie ndagika nini nigetha arekie mwana hau athie tondu ndarenda kuhuthira mbeca. The mentality which is still there yaga thutha irio kuo ya ndu guciarira nyumba this day and age irio kuo ya ndu guciarira nyumba nginya muthi uyu irokuo koguo ngakiuria atiri angikorwo tithio tukwanirira tuge kuri mburi nungi angikorwo tithio tukuga twiri tute miaka 15 16 ni tuciarire muno ri nungi angikorwo tithio kururia now rucio niguo wira twatindira na andu eri atatu mahurira manjute kai we wagiire mwana wina miaka igana Wangare
we wagire na igana.
Me I got my first born when I was 27 and I was okay.
Na no wagirire process icio ciothe
Of course. And I was informed ni ndoyo uria guthia na mbere no mwana wa miaka 16 ikarite ohete nda mieri kenda na ndari ingira thibitari na ndari anywa ona dawa iriku ona iriku ni undu wa guprotect mwana uyu kana gwikwo nginya scan ultrasound twikaga ni undu wa undu umwe mwana uyu ikarite atia ena deformity ona iriku ena uru uriku nigetha tumenye uria tuguthondeka from day one ucio ni wa Ngai na riua ona Ngai ni amuteithirie ahona na nikio rona ngateta gutire policy ya gu safeguard ciana ici. There's no policies in the government, there's no policies at the parliament iria ige safeguard kairitu gaka ka miaka 15 gacoka ngaiga atiriri tene ni riu ni ndi thukuru ngithoma ndikaire ni twathomithirie muno riria HIV yatukire rampant twarehagirwo nginya mbica rimwe mukamaka kururia nginya ukaigwa guoya Thiko ici ngoria atiriri kai teenage education yathire ku? Are they not enlightened anymore?
Yeah.
Is it our job? Are we not supposed to tell the government kwena abu ukai mututeithiririe? Are we not supposed to tell to the women leaders na nikio onire ngimeta othe ukai muthikiririe tumenye uria tuguthondeka kundu kuriku kundu guku eni
ni urona thirikari tefirite kwa Kenya ni guthomithia uhoro wa teenage pregnancy
100%.
to nionire mention a few people
100%. It has failed. It has failed. Why are we having it right now? Why are we having even mothers who had given birth at home? It has failed. The department is failing. And we are here to tell it as it is. Yeah. Nekoru. Kogo ni no jugi atiriri. Can we go back to where we were before? Can we start? Where did we start failing? Because this system is there. Just need to be enacted. No koriodo mwejowe. They take care of the mother and child. Mother and child is well taken care of. Immunization na maundu maria mangi mothe. But this before pregnancy ya teenage na maundu maria mangi mothe bado
hena thina.
Riu ngorie ndiraigua thirikari imwe cia thirikari ni cia kanju ni cigomete. No igwete uguo kana kuri hindi ciragomete. Kai ciragomete ni wega. Ciragomete tondu system ni njega. Because the system are bad, they are not working. If the system were okay, hawangekuwa wameenda strike. Yeah. So it's failing. Yeah.
Hena kidu the society drona he kidu gitagwo the power, leadership and money. Niki urona niki kiratuma mutumia kana muiritu okirerwo muno gwakinya hindi rathi go search for power, money and leadership.
Wow, tiada. Power, leadership and money. It's not as simple as it sounds. Let us be very realistic. Right now, aria mararan economy quietly, they are women.
Aria mararan the empire.
Quietly, they are women. Very empowered women. Niĩ ngĩkũra twakũrire empowerment of a girl child. Niĩ ndakũrire andũ othe makiuga we are empowering the girl child. The girl child must be empowered. No muhaka thome, no muhaka athie high school, no muhaka athie college, gwakwa no muhaka atuike. Me, I grew up knowing no muhaka ngakorwo with my own. But now the problem is, when this girl child was being empowered, nobody prepared the boy child, the strong girl who is growing up. Kaire tukaroka.
Getagwo Grace wa Muthuma.
Getagwo Grace wa Muthuma. Na kaire tukagetagwo Grace wa Muthuma ri karahura na kaingire raini-ini ta mundurume ta kururia. No kururia ndanero karitu gaka ni karoka. Kururia arenda gutiriti gaka kairitu ka wa Muthuma torio nire mamu wao agitirito. The generation ya millennial na Gen Z ni regete. Ugikora single hood ya atumia ije especially guku gwitu miruma ni atumia aitu. Atumia ni mamenyire gwituma muno. Koguo ni marecariria. Koguo mutumia uyu ri ndaririkanaga ati kuri kundu agirirwo ni gu submit. No nake mundu rume arenda kairitu gaka ka submit. No arika ndakaheirio. Ndakarira nyumba. Ndakagurira kiratu kiega. Na mundu rume ni onire kairitu gaka ni getumire aikara kando gitume. No nake akariganirwo he still have that ego of a man. Ni arenda gwika atia ku respect. Na mundu rume guti mundu nguki respect taramugurira kiratu. Mutumia ndegũkũinamirira. Ni arega tondu na ndararirikana ndiragi kuinamirira niki. Remember even in the Bible, what is the work of a man?
Provide.
Good. What is the work of a woman?
But now it is vice versa.
It is vice versa. I am sorry.
Is it a problem in the society?
Of course. Because the boy child also has refused to work hard.
But niturutanĩria
aria nini
ni mbeca ciraturega
tikoragwo muraregwo aria nini the ball has turned around. Na hihi ndigweciria ona kuri mutumia ungereka guikara na muthuri ucio koro no emenye. You don't have to chest throb nigetha uikare na mutumia strong. No, just support, understand, work with her, and that is it. Don't try and compete. Ti andu ni ndono ndaiga Nairobi outpatient girl vaha wanda uka kuiga karamboro tari gaku haha
as a
husband
as a man
tondu riu ri tondu Wangare ni ene indo cia keri ona ni ndirenda guteng'erana na apana support that wholeheartedly utekurua nake and you will go very far than you can even imagine tondu nuo ukiri na kioneki kiriko kiu na gutiri undu gwika the ego of a man is the one that is bringing the boy child down. He has not been able to adjust it. Every man has an ego. I don't disagree because I also have sons. But how are you going to be handling your ego because of this strong girl who urarerirwo? Ndakora atumia aige ni marega kuheo.
Marenda kwiyethera ciao.
Na bado matiregete kihiko. Asha.
We wakiregire. No wakiregire ogire ndurakienda.
Ne kuremwo.
Wakiremwo niki?
Ni maundu maya turaririria.
Mutumia arenda kwiyethera indo ciake.
Mutumia arenda kwiyethera indo ciake. Na ndari na thina na guikara na muthuri wake. Na ndari na thina na kwinyihiria
muthuri. Ona muthuri atari.
Ni atakire na thina mutakire mutumia we thina. Go back into gutire.
But with the Gen Z marauga marenda ithu turenda mundu wiyethete ciake. Aje the riu tuikara nake.
Asa, I've stayed with the Gen Z. They want to work hard. Tuti aria me kuigwo uri ugwitikira kuigwo no igue no akorwo ndai na kiburi kiu ndari na kifua kiu ndarakurehera thina ndikuma riu nyuma kururia TV tha ici ndainuka gwakwa riu ukwanjia kuhuhwerera ngari maguru na kuhura na kunuma tondu na nyuma wira because even when I'm here I am trying to tell people that Nairobi Outpatient is working. I am going to promote a brand. I am trying to enlighten the society uria magirwo ni gukorwo makirira. No ri muthuri ucio akamenya nie tondu ni nie muthuri ndwagirwo gukorwo ukingira nyumba mbere yakwa. Wagirwo gukorwo ukingira tene na ndivira. Bara ikaimira ha.
Hau.
Reciria riake ageciria nyuma kuria kururia. Nyuma kuria ng'ania. Hau niho bara irokira. Na tutire na uru ni society regire kuingirana. Ni cuma ici ciri tuhenire muno tondu ni twagire guikara thi tuiguane mwaranirie tiga kuigirira thimu ati tondu riu kururia na niwe muthuri wakwa ni arahingurire kururia TV na ni thie the next hingure Wangare TV. I'm supposed to support kururia because you are my husband until we get there. Tiga guka kugeria kuleso nani. It can't happen. Asa
na niki kiratuma thina wa ihiko especially cia Gikuyu-ini ri Mount Kenya region ri giga Mount Kenya ndauga Gikuyu-ini ri cia andu aria meiguite ni cia hurunjika muno thina niki
ndigwe cia ni andu aria igweta ucio niguo thina uria wothe wi society ni andu aria maronekana uria tuhana ti mundu uria wina igweta uguo niguo society ithu riu tondu ni ibuku rirathomwo tondu ni tuikaine atho ici tiga itoikaine riu nona kururia ni njoikaine tha ici nikio rathoma gwakwa no umenye kuria ngimorire tene mwikuigaga kwa mwarie gukura kuria wakirire wekire atia kwarire tene yes riu tondu ni ndikire mwaria ni ndironegana society riu acio makirite nikuo kwarire tene eu no undu murona tondu ndi in the limelight mukasoma cia Grace Wangare muthuma otherwise that is how the society is and let me tell you atumia itu Agikuyu ni marutire wira muno thio makore na guku kienda niyo mekomba thie saina niyo gucemania na ondege-ini thie online gucemania thie na guku maduka thie everywhere gutire andu angi gucemania nao tiga atumia na atumia matire na uru marenda kwendwo marenda gu support heka iritu karendia muno guku online ndikugweta ritwa riako wonaga thutha wake hingo ciothe no koragwo muthuri wake akoragwo online financial manager advisor and everything and they are doing very well as a couple because they decided we have one goal. Poverty is against us, not fight between you and me.
Exactly.
So that one they understood the assignment. It is me, it is us against the poverty. Not me against you.
Wow.
Andu angi maroka kururia ni ngoro ndi na agenda ya kihiko na ni ndugamitie na ni ndirenda kihiko tondu ni ndirenda guikara kihiko-ini nigetha hote gwaka biashara no uri urakuona ndai na bata wa kihiko Ada gutaha kirio ukire gugithukuma
we arenda guikara thi umurehere
ona ndai na thina umurehere atahe kiria wina kio athie na gutingihoteka. Generation ino ni arega kindu gigwitwa manipulation. It's not working anymore. Our mother used it. It is not working anymore. Kuruma andu gukunyihia nigetha uhote kuruta ni arega ni andu mathomete. It's an enlightened personality. Tondu ru no ngithie online ugukora therapist marakwira ndwikare na mundu ikara na mbeca ciaku. Tariu nie ni njui kairitu gakwa ngikera gugakuria ngikeraga we withukumire mbeca ciaku na ni ciaku ndukanecie na mundu no menye mamitu agithukuma tondu mamitu ni etumaga ndathukumaga ciake athukumaga ciake na muthuri wake tondu muthuri wake ari genuine
na tondu Madam Grace we no arega kihiko na niwe nikarejia andu aya meha
nikwendaga kiandega ni ndikurega kiandakerega
koguo gicamania nakio ringi ni wika ati ni ukugeria
asa ndirenda tha ici reke ngedere ciana na thukume
ndukugeria ringi we munogu
tikonoga ni kwirora muturire ukona this is not my priority right now. It's not a priority,
but time is going.
I don't mind. Marriage is not an achievement. It's not a title atakire mugunda
but ndrenda kweru
reke ndiende. Do I look lonely? Abu ndi boisi kororia andu ni matigire kuhika andu matirahika ncemanie na mundu we wikare gwaku na ni thikare gwakwa riu tukene tu ceranagire ti ore wa kuondeka na social media ni tuhikanire reke tutigire mabishofu Ngai maikare na marriage ciao na ari angi ugia ikuraga we tindo wikiringiriria hau ona mwini wari borega kuri maundu turawirigagiriria na toko Ngai ni aregire riu toko ni ndaikinde
toko ucaguraga uru
I cannot that one. Let me go back to it. I will not blame anyone because ona ndaikara hati mundu ndira blame kuri kundu mundu akoragwo akurire nie kururia nderetwo ni baba tondu mami ni aikwendekaire tukanini koguo maundu maria ureretwo kana kuria umite nimo mashepaga mundu uria ugatuika later in life. Probably because of my background and everything else hihi ngiona ngiaga guthura uria ndagirirwo ni guthura ngiaga gutotia nyanya wega ngigitotie ri yari thirathiru thoko eni koguo no njuge na mahitia ni makwa ti mocio ni maku ndietereire eni na riu tondu ndiegetereire is a mistake I made. Let me deal with my mistake and heal and move on. Eni
but are you encouraging people gukorwo makigira thiini wa kihiko?
Yes, of course. Oh yes, very well. Marriage is beautiful when you get the right person. Marriage is beautiful when you get somebody who understands you. Can I tell you something? No na ndie ta mutumia na ndirari ta mutumia gutire mutumia uthuire kihiko. Gutire mutumia ona ciothe mena mbeca gutire mutumia uthuire kihiko. Gutire mutumia uthuire the tradition father mother and children gutire ni gikirema.
Kirema mundu ekaga atia
umerie weikarie
ugutura uguo
ni taguo ta matua maria nduite riu
ndugucoka ku ringi
asa Ngai ndeithia ni ndingihoya ndeithio utugu na muthenya ona kaba ndurae gwa therapist wakwa o wiki betige chao o wiki ndaigua ni ta gucoka ngamurira thimo ngera mujie ndaguthaitha ndoka na gicunje gia 10 ere
ondu gawerie kihiko kiu
ndogameria
ndugukenda
ya kenda
mundu andika atiriri ha true marriage nowadays is a scam.
It is.
Na hari angi marage go support makiuga ni uhoro wa
marriage ungicaria no na kururia na no hinya ungicaria mundu ukwendeire kiria kururia enakio ni sawa riu ndenda kururia for who he is okay. Now you can be able to go steps and then you also we deal with traumas. Koni ni do ndia dire na traumas cia kwa mbere na toko digia I would not have married wrong. I wish I knew what I know right now. I will not have married wrong. So I tell you want to go to marriage, First go understand yourself. Umete ko, we wa muhere goriko, kwanyu niko, kwanyu kwana atia, andu akwanyu mana atia, baba wanyu ni endete mamu wanyu. Muikarete atia, nigetha angikorwo muri na thina ukeranaga ndanie gwitu ni kuri gathina. Gwitu ni tugurukaga. Gwitu ni tunegenaga. Gwitu ni tugaga mbu. Tariu goyoro ni tani ngwire I am a discipline tondu ndwaigua nderetwo ni muthuri. Baba itu ari munegeni muno. Na baba itu angiakorire thitima yoni ni anegenaga muno. Amutigagirio iria murahuthira. Koguo nie ni njui thitima ciagirwo gukora ci off ni undu wa inegene ria baba na ni undu wa mbeca nyingi. Koguo uguo niguo ngurite. Riu waga gukini understand ni ugugiturwo muno. Tondu ndrenda kuni understand. Urenda njuke njikari uguo uria we ohana. Na ni ndrenda kuni understand. Niti ukigiana muno no tugithire kwa therapist ginya tukinwe na kiarema ugakiuga gaithukumira ciana.
Niki kiratuma the society itu ati woman to woman yo marahurana. Ati we wathi haria oya maiki yaku waria kidogo. Rurimi rutheruke kidogo. Atumia niyo marakorwo muharini wa mbere gukorwo makimukirira. Ni thina niki?
Bitter society. You produce what you are. And that is what I'm saying. You have so many wounds inside you. Koguo ona ni ndaria kaundu taruo mothe njarie kaundu handu mundu ecirie tiguo kuminaga arenda kuoya kau kanini ahure nako tondu wa mbere tutirenda kuona mundu urabata iguru turenda kunina ciothe nigetha mundu umwe atigwo ari iguru ni uru reke ngigikwire wewe kurudia TV shaini na kurudia TV ni ukuhota guka Nairobi outpatient ndigira Nairobi outpatient tiga kunina ni undu wa mutumia tocio umwe honokirie muoyo wake.
So urauga atumia matige kunina atumia wenza
ni uru tariu nie kurudia nduika no ukore ni ati hurite mutumia maheni kana support ni muramuhura ni ona ngumuria niki mukorire mwi toxic because also the society is very sick. The society is rotten. There is a lot of pain, there is a lot of outcry. Na nikio ndirakura kiu nikio turacemania nakio mucii tondu tutindirite nakio. We wanahikania maita meri matatu mana matano na nduru wamenya ndeagwo niki maita maya mana matano riu nie ndagiti uri ndiramenyire reke thie ngemenye niki kiratuma nde toko ni nie toxic
thina utokorwo ni we
tokorwo thina ni nie
ndakora thina waku ni gucagura uru
hau muno nenge gicagurite uru no cagurite uru niki ni kuria nyumite na mathina maria ngereire tikio riu ndiragithie ngakimenya thina wakwa wiku na thina uyu toni ndinaguo ni society inaguo na nikio rona ukona mundu aranyurwo cai muthenya mugima wanywera mundu cai muthenya mugima niku ni turare kureta rejuko.
Is it necessary?
No, it's waste of time and money. What are you doing drinking chai for someone? Nduthi ugathukume we wone mbeca we uranywa cai niki we wanywera cai niki nigetha wone gia kwendia nigetha unjokie thi kuria ndaimire gwitu kagongo ndigetha unyonage ukaiga ari na ndari wone ndeto cia kwandika kururia TV nigetha ugie likes. Is wrong. It is not right for any other woman to bring another woman down. Asa is not right.
Na rutu gwikate tondu ngwiciria nona mahindini meru theci turarie nawe he handu haranyuo cai
andu ni maregire kuhona andu ni kurega andu acio marenda kuhona. The other thing is it is us tondu riu riria kururio korire gwakwa ni ndanyuirwo cai wikire page ni yaku Wangare kunyuirwo cai tondu ni urenda likes na andu aya angi othe ni mekirire ucoke uriganirwo Facebook ino ni atwikire ni biashara TikTok ni atwikire ni biashara YouTube ni atwikire ni biashara koguo ni ngunyuira andu cai nigetha andu maihure page yakwa nigetha ngarihwo muico wa mweri. So we are using other people's vulnerability in expense for our money which is wrong. That is not right for money. Ucio nda kuya mucinga urage mundu tondu riu ni ndirenda likes ciakwa cingire koguo ngamenya ngukunyuira cai ngunine nigetha likes ciakwa cingire uko akire mucinga wahura ni ati ungi wikite ni andu igana maimire Facebook ngorie kururia no kire gwakwa muno kigire kunjira nyumire social media umira alia eka ni ndaimire social media ni undu wake bara tatuthorwo ndamara une mugukira mutikwaria ciakwa ringi ni ndoka andu teithio twaimira social media ti kwenda twarewwo nĩ mbara tũtukũrĩtwo gũtukũrwo no wega tondũ rĩu niĩ rĩu nĩ kĩrĩ meri ĩrĩa ĩkĩhũthagĩrwo niĩ yakwa rĩu yagĩtuthũrwo yakĩrehe ũndũ ũngĩ mũno ona ndakiuga haya kumbe no nĩ platform ingĩhota kwendia wĩra wakwa na maũndũ marĩa mangĩ mothe mũndũ ũrĩa waninirwo nĩ social media mũndũ ũrĩa weyũragire mũndũ ũrĩa ũgũkorwo anyuĩrĩirwo cai na ndarĩ na roho ta ũyũ wa Wangare wa Muthuma niĩ mũkũnyua cai thikũ igĩrĩ ya gatatũ ngũkĩra ndĩmwĩre ũkai gwakwa Nairobi outpatient ndĩmũthondeke arĩa menda gũthiĩ mid-range ũkai ndĩmũtware yũrĩ ũtarĩ na hinya wocio yũrĩ ũtarĩ na macoci cia kumĩra we ti kũmũraga wamũraga we ndiganu yaku na mũcinga na shaitani nĩkĩ we ũkĩrĩ shaitani mũnene biũ big devil woka kũninĩra ndaninĩra kũrũria TV nĩkĩ nĩngũka kũiga TV we na shaitani mwe kĩndũ gĩkĩ kimwe
wow thank you tũranĩria na Madam Grace Wangare Muthuma the CEO kũrĩa gwĩtagwo Nairobi outpatient na it is not a scam, it is working. Kwa hiyo marauga marriage is working.
It is working to the right person. Ona kũrũire wewe mũndũ we wena mũndũ
tuthi na mbere aje kũnjuria ciũria
ndigoteteria
cege nĩ kĩareka gwaku nĩkĩ ka gwaku we kũrehagĩra mahũa
tamaka no ngũ explain ire wega mũno
tondũ ndamũria anjĩrire atĩrĩrĩ ndĩ best friend
cege rĩ mũthenya ũcio ũkĩte gwĩka content ya finance nĩ nani cege ikora mahũa metha igũrũ ndareheirwo cege akĩmenya nani nĩ gũthondeka content nayo na nĩ akĩendirie na no wega kũrũria niĩ na cege rĩ nĩ tawe tumanĩtie nawe thabarĩ nene mũno kũrũria ona cege nĩguo hana harĩ niĩ cege nĩ mwanake mũnini mũno ona angĩona njaga yakwa no ore angĩora
agũkĩra nĩkĩra
mũndũ rũme no nĩ ndakĩmenyerete ya mĩaka yakwa nĩ kamwana kanini ka mĩaka 27 ona no orire maitho kai ciana cionagio njaga we ciana cionagio njaga mutumia
mũgima mwana ena kĩna kĩbandĩ
na kĩbandĩ no ti mũkinyu wa kuonio njaga ya mutumia wa mĩaka yakwa ona angĩona size yakwa ya no kũra itũiri tutu tunini twa mĩaka 27 ni
nayo
tũgũthiĩ kũ ai no ngĩonia cege njaga ndũngĩkorwo wagĩte mũtu ona mũndũ ũcio wanumire nĩ agĩrĩirwo nginya kũherera Ngai mũno ũngĩkĩnuma atĩa nĩ ndĩrakoma na mwana we ithe ndũona ndũrĩ na mũtugo we nĩguo wĩkaga niĩ tiguo njĩkaga I have ethic something else we call discipline. I also have image to protect. I have a name to protect. I have a business to run. Usege na ndikana kanini ri. Hai ndingĩhota ona ihenya rĩu nĩ inene mũno rĩu nĩ ihenya itangĩhota gũtengerania na rĩo nĩ inene kamwana kau nĩ kanini ndingĩhota ihenya rĩa ciana ni ndingĩhota cege nĩ mũrata ona ti mũrata is a man, young man who wants to be mentored to become. He's a man who has gone back to school. He has a degree in finance. He's doing his masters. He's a young champion who shall become the future in the next 10 years. Yeah. And then you're sleeping with somebody. Ona gaya gage kuraga we. Okay, mundu moru pio. Urako mundu na miaka bote akome na mwana wa miaka 27. Nikitu ndona wewe muru.
No, kulio mana akoma.
Eri to matie na mutugo. You don't have manners. Wada koni na mwana ucio.
Managa they were meant to be.
Let them meant not Wangare wa Muthuma. I think I have ethics from where I've come from. From the way I was brought up.
Okay.
I was brought up in church and I was brought up by a very tough man and he showed me ethic. Lines to put. Yeah. And then there is season for everything. There is time for everything. Nedale na miaka yakwa ndina miaka 27. Ndamicokia kuri mwanake nikia miaka 27. Agikuwa gutie na rume miaka that it wote ri 45 ri nditigane na uthi na mbere na biashara. Eni acio marenda gucoka na ku ni mundu taramenya uri urenda na muturi. Maundu makwa ni maingi muno kururia. Ndakora nginya ndingihota ihenya ria kana kau. Akire thuori gabia.
Madam Grace adore igire, especially the young ladies. Taru no ngirugama ha ugi andu aria mari single mothers ni ingi muno. The society niki kirathi na mbere.
Ano me mukiregire ku come out. Ona we nwagirwo kunjuria. Is the men generation failing? Because can I ask you something? Who is making these single mothers? Is it not these men?
Maybe marriage is not working.
It's not marriage is not working. It's because people are sick and they don't want to sit down and understand what is their problem. When this one did not work for mine, I had to sit down with a therapist and understand, where am I drawing the gaps? Modogie kuganie ne jwe dire thina na dire thina na niwe thina uria munene. Na nie ndigwikara ha njuge dire thina ndikire thina niki. Na ndiakirerirwo ni muraika. And there are failures in life.
Yeah.
So it's because the society is sick and has a problem. Something else I'll ask you. Don't you think also we have a sick society for men? Because who is making these women single? Are these not these men? Asa okay me aike oge. Atigie siga aike wakere wagatatu wakana. Asa okay ge ginya wagatano niwe wena thina. Wewe muroge we na kwanyu ni kuri thina we. Let me tell you, dakura gutire mutumia utendete kuiga kihiko giake ni gikirema. Na this time round, men have to understand that the millennials and the Gen Zs, you cannot treat them the way your father treated your mother.
Yeah.
You cannot intimidate them. You cannot pull them down. It is impossible. So I think also we need all of us to learn, both men and women, both generations. There's nobody who is perfect here. I will not sit here and say that I'm a perfect human being. No, I have my own shortcomings. Even you men has your own shortcomings. Na dakwera, this woman has been totally empowered. Na karitu kakagatu ke empowered, modrometawe kurudia. Datu kire empowered weterera kaitu. Deda kuridikana. Gekora, sasa idwe ni twajire kureherwo pads thukuru. Twareherwo pads thukuru re. Tuhere, ekende twiti oguo re. Twarehagirwo ki? Hatire. Twetagwo horo nie ne ndirikanaga. Tugathomithio. Me I remember once when I was in primary school in class 7. Tuihoririo horo kumeire to a class 4, gina class 8. Na mentors who came, I remember there was a lady captain. Okay? There was a lawyer. There were 4 different, and there was an entrepreneur and so many other people. And all of them, they had maigete gari cia oja. Na marageria tuiretu. Mwiretu cio tiga ekatia. Eka impact nene muno muturire-ini waku. Tuhetwa ri kiria irathini tugicuthiriria ndirica-ini ningi kurathi na mbere. Tuka ukorwo na society ya single mothers niki. Na kahiga aka kainukire akora babao ni hindi imakambe na ngatheti agikora aimete kunyua kane. Mamu ao ni hindi ingira amurume ekwaga kunuma niki. Na ni ndendirwo ni atumia acio ndigetikire kurumwo. Na ni ndendirwo ni atumia acio thie ngathukume. Na ni ndendirwo ni atumia acio ndigurire padi na njikare wega. Ni ni nguikara nguona tari baba oru ngindiraikara nake nguthie ndithire biu. Yes.
Wow. Thank you muno Grace, na nitwake na muno na ngwiciria mathaa maitu ningi magithiite muno no ne njui ndina ciuria igiri kana ithatu iria gukorwo ngikuria.
Haya njuria.
Kiuria kia mbere ndenda warĩrie the young people.
Yeah. There's hope. There's chances. You got to create yours. Kururia nduri mwandike ni mundu no we wira umuthi and you are young. So you have created an employment not only for you, wina producer, wina andu a camera, wina mundu mwene nyumba eno na andu aria othe makurutire. So there is opportunity is for you to wake up.
Yeah.
Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Gutire wira. Kiria wathomeire tigana nakio. Me am a human resource by profession, but I'm an entrepreneur. No human resource niyo endeithagia kurani biashara ciakwa. So go get yourself enlightened, but ndukaire wira tia kuga ndugwika undu muna. Asa tiga kuga ati ndugwika wira tondu tiguo wathomeire. Oya kiu toko nikio gigagutwara hari iguru. Nie ndi murata wakwa ni ari ma exhauster na njiriirie na kimwe giki gikorwo gigia uthii kuruta kioro kira mahali ena mugwanja tha ici mundu ucio ndai na mbeca and he's barely 33. So there is job for everyone. Yeah.
Last week korari kiumia gia kiria gia gukorwo the breastfeeding. The society uhoro ucio wa breastfeeding encourage the atumia ate.
Me and I will encourage breastfeeding. it is preventing us from so many diseases, especially.
Ithuĩ tuongithagio mĩaka 2 years.
Tuongithirio mĩaka 2.
No thikũ ici ndigũciana manakinyia na niĩ.
Ona mĩeri 3. Mũndũ akĩrĩkia mĩeri 6 yugo.
But now the technology ngucia nĩ ĩtũmĩte maũndũ maya makwa makinyia.
Ona kwĩyenda mũno na tũtirenda kũnora. No menyi ithuĩ twakĩrehagĩrwo njahi na thubu. Nigetha tũkĩrie wega nigetha wone iria. Ona matirĩ nginya na iria. Alafu there is an option. Mbere gũtirarĩ option ya none. Nĩ hĩndĩ kũgĩte na option ya none. Koguo matirenda kuongithia. But now, ciana icio nĩ cirwarire mũno. If you look at my children, the one I breastfed and the one I did not, they are two different people. Look at these rickets. It's rampant. Tondu mwana ucio nginya ndaro ya calcium na kila kindu kuma kuri ni. The nutrients that he's supposed to take from me, ndaraciona kuma kwi nani. Ndio uranyita. Then breastfeeding waga gwikari, mwana ucio egukura atia, develop nake. And then mwana ucio nda yake ndikoragwo ikurite wega nginya mieri 6. Koguo waga kumuhe iria, waje kumuhe indo ingi, ni wathukia system yake yothe. Nginya growth yake yothe yamukira. Then also, this is where we experience brain development. Ugakora mwana ucio nginya thukuru ndaranyita ko. Thina wanjiriirie ho. I will always encourage on breastfeeding for up to 2 years. It is encouraged. Tiga kumaka nyondo ni cikugwo ni guka kumuonia technology has come.
Yeah. He mundu orie kiria tiriri. What mistakes she did in business and how she worked on them? And what can you advise a young entrepreneur?
There's so many mistakes that I have made, so many. 17 years in the business, there are so many mistakes that I have made. One is getting yourself into debt. Mathiri. No one biashara ni yakura. Uthie unyitanirie project 1, 2, 3, 4. Na ciothe cirugame. Tondu unyiteirie nyingi na handu mbeca cigukinya cikiatia cirugame. That is one. Ucoke uthie bengi ukue runi. Imwe yage kureke ingi cirike. Waje guthie gwa Shairok. You will stall. Ni warugama. The other thing is kuoya mbeca bengi utari na mubango. Gwere undu kururia. Anytime you go to get loan in the bank, bengi ni oe woya milioni imwe. Bengi ni koragwo yoe milioni imwe ga recover atia. By the time they are depositing it into your account, we nawe ni right ya kukumenya tondu ni ndekirirwo milioni imwe ri ndikwenda guthie kuonia kururia ndi na mbeca ndimagurire nyama na nyama tobo ndimatreat weekend. Manage your money wisely. Do what you are supposed to do. No kiaro ni wakorwo kimenya isi cingegwa isi ingegwika atia. Have options in the business. Then the third one, don't go beyond your lifestyle. Agikorwo urathukuma ngiri 30, eya wakwa bangira ngiri ici 30. Tiga guikara maisha ma ngiri 80. Tondu no ukugwa na no ugucoka thi na no ukuhatiria biashara eno na no ukuhinga. Na uguo tu. The other one, discipline in the business. Focus in the business. Honesty in the business. We have missed loyalty in the business and honesty in the business. It is not there. Tadu nie kururia ngore mundu tore wajagia thimu ino ya Samsung amendia ngiri 100. Menye marima makugira. Menye dinarata kwa 5. Nyaje kumenderia tondu kururia ne koragwo na mbeca ngumuringa 110. Producer yake ndimuringa 105. Wathukia biashara. Be consistent in your business. Be loyal. Tiga kuga ati ndamuringa mundu. Wa muringa rucio karigwo we. Ugwethukia wira ukarifaro no. We work by referrals. Create. Tadu riria biashara iguru rami create. Create your own clientele. Aria magacoka. Ni ndu igwa ngi market biashara yako ya Middle East. Because it's a business that I have created with time. So I get so many referral. Referral in my office is 70%. Yeah.
Wow. Grace, what do you think about life?
It's the way you take it. Life is difficult, but at the same time it's sweet. But also entrust yourself with God. Not pastors, not reverend, not bishop.
Ebe no itiriri maguta.
Digetekera. Dire na paraffin. Dire paraffin.
But you love God.
So much. So much. For me and God is our business every day. Before I sleep, before I wake up, before I went back on my
business. Nikule walegire kana niki?
It is not my calling. That is not my line. And that is why you say you should understand who you are. Na nikyo nitagitiririo maguta tondu yo ti line yako. Yasa digwitirio paraffin. Joke diga higure kanitha ni muguka. Ndidenge muthaitha muhothe ndingihota.
Ugikihujirie next.
Asa ndirenda. Ucio takiriguo mwitwa wakwa. Church is a calling. But life is the way you take it. If you want to take it, it is very difficult. Okurituhira take. Okuwa nginya na mahiga ngongo. But if you want to take it the way it takes, when you have a problem, deal with it the way it's supposed to be dealt with. Stop running away from your problem. If you make a mistake, we have made so many mistakes. I have made so many mistakes. What am I supposed to do? Take it the way it has come. Manage the way it has come. Why do we make life to be very difficult? Tondu kururi urenda guikara maisha maria matari maku. Nie ndirenda guthii guikara maisha ma mundu ungi na ndikinyete. Nie ndirenda guthii guikara maisha ma iguru na ndikinyete hau. Step by step. The way life it is, handle it with care. Muoyo tuheagwo ni Ngai. Uturo tuheagwo ni Ngai. No muikarire we nu wogwicaririo wagiriire. But be good with people. Andu ni indo ti akuruma andu. Stop burning the bridges. Stop messing with people's life. Andu ni indo kururia. Ni meka sure ndina kuhitiria. Ona ndakuhitiria ni njoka thutha ngahera. Ngakwira ukwendia minaga tondu andu ni indo. Yeah.
Hede we free niki wikaga? When you're free?
I love sleeping.
But are you ever free? Do you down away free? Do you da kuhurira thimu wako we? You ever busy?
Tamaga ne ngoragwo ndi free. Imagine I'm by the way my schedule is like this. From 8 to 3 I am in the office. You can find me in the office. Any other time I give you ruka branches. Kana I meet a friend, I have a meeting. On weekends, ni no nyona wera. I don't work over the weekends because I'm a mother. I have children. I also have my own life. But I also love traveling so much. I love living a quiet life. Kiria gitumaga duonaga free time yakwa because I don't post my that free time. I don't post my other private life. It is very private. Yeah, I don't expose it so much. Yeah.
Watu shui.
Ongox.
Yeah, ongox yako hili.
Ajiraga noe kieje murata wakwa. Na riu taru utajira tori wa box. Ni mundu witikirite. Haya na ndiganirwo ni ngwiritwo ngugethie ni Ken wa Imara.
Ndageithika.
Ken ni akundumite. Ajira no urendia migunda na ni ahuragira thimu muno. Muno.
Muthuri mwega muno. Na nakera ri haha giikaro.
Ni anjirire ari haha. Ni muthuri murata wakwa. Na ni ekunjirite ndimugeithie muno.
Wageithika muno. Na migunda no arendia.
Ekunjirite kumite Embu. Aima negotiation ya mugunda ati na aragura Machakos. Riu ni ukaha mwenderio mugunda wa Machakos na no enjoy ndatunyanaga. Ken ndatunyanaga.
Nima. Ona ni no njikire to na idea na taito igire ku.
Aya ona nienda ni ekunyenderia.
Aya hena mundu ngiretwo Piriti Mukami ni akugeithia muno na no amwe encourage muno. Aingi hana ndona makiuga marriage works. Aingi niguo marauga haho. It
works when you get the right person. Is we are the one who made mistakes. No ithu tura ekende mwiri undu umwe. Let us not bring our issues to you and you understand them. This is our issues, not your issues. And I'm well tugakorwo ati we niwe kuigi kururio wahitia ni wahitia tugoke kunjuragira ngirathi cia ati tondu ni urenda gutuika muthuri tugoke ati tondu ni ndaiga nigetha nduike tiguthi uguo
gwiciria ndeto ciaku Madam Grace citingithira
nyingi
free time yo thikagiriria music.
Yes, I'm a soul music.
Ndwendete manegene
asa ngutinda negene ona huko bara njoke negene no nyumba ngukua
tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Which country wendete go travel most?
I love Middle East because that is where my business is. But I've been to US. I never enjoyed US at all. I'm sorry. But I enjoyed UK. I enjoyed London. It's a little bit expensive, but I enjoyed London. Yes.
Your favorite meal?
Chicken. Yeah. Chicken. I love chicken with greens. Yeah.
Na your favorite comedian uliko gukenagia muno
hena niguo maingi dada Sara ni ingi kwaje ndiramonire indi no ni ingi no riu dada Sara niwe onga makiria ari angi othe na ngitwa imaritwa ba nyona gakena ona Terence. I love that guy. He's so creative. Terence is very, I actually love that guy because he's also very authentic and true. Niĩ nĩ nyendete Terence muno. Yeah. And he know niwe warehire laughter industry ikiumana wega biũ. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. Ngicia nitukurekeria hau Madam Grace. Na ukorwo hena kaundu kangi kwendete kwariria bururi.
Reke nyinuke.
Riu nona urainuka na ndukira muthuri.
Ciana. Na niĩ. The first person is me.
So thank you so much eroreri itu ni nyumatikira gukorwo mugiturorera mundu wothe watuma ndumiriri nguhi hare mwena wa Facebook na YouTube tugacokia ngatho nyingi muno makiria na agikorwo na no agia kanya ga gukorwo hihi ukiuria kitu no tutinacokia no tukumwita muthenya ungitwaranirie nake tita ria mbere kana ria mwisho ukorwo yuka guku ni ariceraga maita na maita maingi na uririkane makiria mothe we bururi wa nanja namba citu cia thimu ciri hau ugikorwo ni wenda gukorwo ugituhe wira kana ugikorwo ukienda gwika advertisement na ithui no twaririe kuhitukira namba iyo ya thimu ikiri hau na ni njitagwo Jojo kama guku ni gwa Kuroria TV Studios tucemanie muthenya ungi bye bye have a good night. Kuroria TV.